A budget can help you achieve several important financial goals. Number one, manage your spending, okay? It helps you track where your money goes, allowing you to control and reduce unnecessary expenses. Number two, save for goals, all right? So a budget enables you to allocate funds for specific goals, such as a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund. Man, I haven't been on vacation in years, but obviously I'm doing this stuff. So number three, avoid debt. So by keeping your spending with limits, a budget can help you avoid accumulating debt and rely less on credit cards. Now number four, you got to plan for expenses. It helps you anticipate and prepare for regular and irregular expenses like bills, holidays, repairs. Number five, build financial security. All right, a budget encourages savings, which contributes to financial stability and prepares you for unexpected situations. Number six, increase awareness. It fosters a better understanding of your financial habits, helping you make informed decisions. Number seven, track progress. A budget allows you to monitor your financial progress over time, making it easier to adjust your plans as you need. Now, by providing structure and discipline in a budget is very powerful. It's a powerful tool for achieving financial well-being.